prioritizing Vermonters' mental health. That's the message from Congresswoman Becca Balint.
She was in Washington County today announcing new legislation with a focus on mental health. NBC5's Adrian Pastor joins us now live from Barre with more on this. Adrian.
Yeah, Brian, Liz, we're live along North Main Street in Barre, which saw significant damage during last summer's floods. 10 months later, neighbors are still feeling those impacts both financially and mentally, prompting congressional leaders to take action through new legislation.
It's a tremendous trauma that people face, and they're still facing it.
10 months after last summer's devastating floods, recovery continues in the city of Barre.
The day after the flood, I biked all over the city and just talked with people who were out and about.
Jake Hemrick, Barre City Mayor, during the July flooding, says amid the devastation, he found many neighbors simply needed someone to talk to process the aftermath of the flood and its impact on them. U.S. Representative Becca Balint has been a champion of mental health and is working to expand access to those in need following natural disasters through MEND, or the Mental Health Emergency Needs and Disasters Act.
It's not a one-off. It's not sending mobile health units in for a few months at a time. It's about embedding in a community, getting to know the community and the families, and staying for 2 years, because the arc of recovery is long.
Under the MEND Act, mental health professionals would be deployed to communities in need and conduct research to understand the effects a natural disaster can have on mental health, which experts say is invaluable when providing people with the assistance they need.
It's not normal to have lost your home. It's not normal to have lost your belongings. What is normal is the reaction, the stress that everyone feels.
The MEND Act would join other pieces of legislation geared towards crafting a suite of tools to meet the needs of those suffering from mental health crises.
This legislation has tremendous promise for providing yet another support, another lifeline for people.
Now, during her announcement, Congresswoman Balint said that this program would be under FEMA, which would be in charge of the training for mental health counselors and social workers who would be on the ground when a disaster strikes. Now, when it came to the funding of the program, she said that Congress needs to, quote, get serious about how they're allocating federal funds, especially when it comes to the well-being of the American people. Live in Barre, Adrian Pastor, NBC5 News.